Kublai pi baros katup Khubor jengi ke dan Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan mentaga sengi kilong. Du kamau ba ya ka Medical College lakin ria Shani Shillong. Jubab kelan uba kermen kerwit uba George. Dawa ka KSU, FKJGP, HNYF ban penshitom ya ki basiat yap ya uba Chesterfield thank you. Ban dangdan shi hajar lai spa I waitli ki kam ki balat ha office ka sarkar jilla. Tementang ini apa? Shiki Khubor ki bakam bania. Nakadaw jo ka jingrit palat ka jaka bat ka jingkim kisurok bat kirenti yad breu ka sarkar Meghalaya kala rai ban amteishu eka Medical College ha mauba mauprem henrei ban teyaka ha ka jaka ka bahe sanpau akar ha New Shillong. Yakani la yathu da James PK sangma ha yeng dor bar thau an ha ka khatlai trik ha ka ba u juba be ki jingkli bala bo do ba arel ber nongrum u MLA North Shillong maukar uba George Lingdo MLA Umroy bat uba Mohendro Rapsang MLA Shillong West Mauprem halor kaneka subject u James sangma ulayat hu ba namar ki te ki daw bala kadaw haneng ambit banete ya ka Medical College hakajaka ka bakhim namar ki jingdan kam jongka kidon bonjat kam menshua ka sarkar jilla kala ibet bante ya ka Medical College hakajaka badon ka TB Hospital Baroshikata
location at Maumba or not. So my answer is a very categorical no, sir. That area, as I just mentioned, because of these various reasons, it is not under active consideration now. We are looking for an alternative site, and I would like to inform the Honourable Member and also the other members of this August House that the Honourable Chief Minister has been kind to provide us an alternative plot of land, which is to the tune of 50 acres. And we are looking at this bigger plot of land so that it can also include not just the hostel facilities, but a 100-bedded hospital or maybe bigger than that, along with the medical college to go along with that project. So it becomes a more comprehensive and holistic project. So that is being taken into consideration, and we are moving forwards in that line. We have, cancelled the PPP which was there earlier with the earlier concessionaire, and we are looking at now engaging with new parties which can give us a better deal.
Uba George Lingdo u MLA Umroy ula kerwit de ki jingkli ki bakhor uba Kermen Shilla u Menteri Revenue and Disaster Management Department nakadaw ula ai ki jubab ki bakkelan bat ki bamshai haka jubab jong ba Kermen Shilla ba ula ai haki de khot ki bakwa ban yo jingshai na u haka bayade pat ki jing penjulor ka maryang haki ni ki banai balala ka pau shai bakadon ka jingslam ban ai ki lat jingerap shaki longyeng longsem ki balasha penjulor haki bor maryang uba HM Shangpliang ula ongba kumba ars pangut ki breu ki labu ki jingkerpa na ka sarkar banyarap ki haka jing penjulor ka maryang ula ongba hadu menta u BDO na mau senram syempat yo jingerap na ka disaster department ka kong amprin lengdo MLA ladam kra kalabu ka jingkerpa banyo jingerap na ka jing penjulor ka improvised explosive device IED hayo Shillong ladam kra menteri rangba ulayarap banjubab da ka baong bakum kani ka jingjulor kam hapsatia haka natural calamity ula ongba unwa rikilat kilenti ban bu yakum kini ki jingjulor hakilat jingerap ka sarkar
village wise. So may I read it, sir?
No, sir. I requested it to be placed.
Okay, sir. I have details, sir. Will be later.
So when was the amount released to the block, sir?
The amount I have the date, sir. Please give me some time.
You have the date?
Sir, exact date I don't have it with me right now. It's somewhere here, so it will take some time. So yes. It was released on April, sir, and August to the DC.
So we're getting two replies. One, the amount was released to the block, he said, and now he's saying that the amount has been released to the DC. So that may be corrected, sir. We want
yes,
a specific
Deputy
reply.
Commissioner, sir.
So now from that balance amount also, sir, 5,15,000 is yet to be released even after 6 months of the calamity, sir. May I know the reason for the delay, sir?
Sir, we are waiting for the next meeting. So after the next meeting, we will release this amount, pending amount 5 lakh plus. So I give the assurance for that amount, sir.
Laitili ki seng bhalang ki bakun thop eka Khasi Students Union KSU, Federation of Khasi Jantia Garo People FKJGP, bat ka Nyautrap National Youth Front HNYF, ki la dawa na kasor kar jelaban kem mardor ki pulit ki badan kti haka jing siat yap yo ba cheres to feel thank you. Haka mir step khat laitrik nailar arhajar arpaway hayeng sa ajong u haka dong maulai kenton masar. Kinong alam kini ki laitili ki seng ki la kren hakila pathai Khubor ha press club kabadon halo wala chumer. Bakila dawa na kasor kar jela ba kamde ban penslam ban kemi ki breu ki badon kti hakane ka jing penyap yo ba cheres to feel hadin ba u justice py pay ula IT ka kaipot wat benya ajong u yeki daw ba yalam shaka jing sha set yap yo ni rang ba halaka jong ka yeng shong yeng sa. Kinong alam jo kini ki laiseng kinom shong klikti rada kasor kar kampen shitom me kita ki breu ki badon kti hakane ka kam dusmon. Kila ong ba kila raikut panyale hadu baka yeng kasam jong ba cheres te fil kan yo eka jing bishar ka bahok.
Bla fil pa kum ba tu report pa kedau sai bat keren ba ka jing lek kila lek bat pendon kam plat ya ka bor ka jungki hadu ba kila shim senang ka jing ka jung ba ngaso menong ba ka tu ka jing ja ka tu ka miet ba kisulet ka jing dong untuk bagi klem yo anu inu ndrei ngaso menong ba kila lek ba tu yeng kila lek kum kinom tu bat penprai ka jing khang ba trai yeng kila sa penprai ka jing khang ki haban mi ki haban pai wei bawan wei bayu ndrei pedang ka jingwan penban la syasiat no yo ba cheres terfil thank you jaba tu kami jaba please khang jaba khemi kalok ne kikon ke banja tu por ke banja usbul ada syasiat ada syashim dan ngem jong kalok kikon kiti banga so banang ru bak police department la afil ya ka information ba ka jikasa ka jong bo dan rengkap kita ki bodega benda ki dikikon bak kani ka dikik jing feel jong police department bak kem semyo ya information ka bapaka bak kem semlet ta kanti man kem brio hak por mustap mensyai kumbalong hak tu ka report balada ki up sa kumba ar kenta lagi tang ngatrai la ki lek kem por mustap ngatrai kani ka jing ja kanum ja tu mustap.
Uba proses di Saukme, UMLA Maulai Constituency ulakeli hayeng dorbar tau an kejela na Menteri Rangba ukonrat ke sangma halor ki rukom trekam ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC ban pendap iki kam ki bathli hakit na trekam ka sarkar bad iki examen thungkam ba pher ban jed iki nong tre ban pendap yakita ki shuki bathli. Menteri Rangba ula pentep haka jubab jong u bakidon 6000 lai spa I waitli ki kam ki balad ya ki ba ka MPSC kan pendap lengba ki examen ba pher haki sngi ban wan namar don bun ki kendon ki baya dei bat ka jing pendap ki shuki bathli ki ba bampor ban pendap ki lakarta ula ong ba nakalyang ka sarkar bar ka MPSC kenya le kat bala ban penstat namar kani ka de ka jingkwa bat ka jing thrang jo ki samla ka jela ki bam pat yo kam yo jam uba HM Shangpliang UMLA na mau senram uong lanu en pendap ki shuki enforcement inspector ki bala thli bat sateng la kartu ka nepor uba adalber ula bu ka jing terwa haka sarkar ba kam de ban penlong show ka personal interview ki kam lani ki post ki bam de gazetted Menteri Rangba shamla jubab ni kan tho AA
to conduct common tests, common examinations for all posts which have the same qualification and the same pay scale in order to avoid multiple examinations is also being examined, sir. At the same time, having more examination centers throughout the state is also being examined. And there's also an advice to the government by the commission also to have clubbing of posts by bringing a Meghalaya combined competitive exam rules. So these are different areas where these reforms are being examined. We have not taken a final call because this requires a lot of threadbare discussion and also obviously concerns from all over. So all those areas are there, sir, but point is noted, and this is an important issue. And I can assure the member that we are working on ensuring that this time frame that is there to ensure that the examinations and interviews are conducted in a much more shorter time, sir.
Kasengkmi Nyautrap Integrated Territorial Organization hito kalapen kup burom haka khatlai trek unai lur ha Shillong Press Club ya ubabu risakaman RJ Dekar unong hikai ka Sacred Heart Boys High Secondary School Maulai ya ka jing penno bha jung u ban yarap ki khana school ki baduk batoy da ka ba ula tho ya ka kot ban yarap ban pensngo thu eki halor ka subject science physics. Habayakran bakadon Bosco Media Network uni unong hikai uba shampang ulai thu ba ula tho ekani ka kot jingerap na ka benta ki khna school kalong nakadaw ba khe ka khlam covid-19 ka bala bo ki khna school ki badok ki bamdon ki mobile phone bat ki we ki core technology ban khre kot na la yeng la sam kani ka jing e ki khna badok kala penlong u ban dem khui ban pen khre ban tho ekani ka kot yarap halor ka subject physics ulong ba artatin ba kani ka kot kala long ka jingerap ka bakrawe ki khna school ki badok ki bakardo
jong tengah ngah kentu yaki wai kinong hikai ki bakham start ki bakham shampang chishu banenga ki bas senior te ban tho iki kot khna mai khna jengi khamtam ki khna hinyo trap bakinyok yarang ka bat ki wai khna ki badaina kum Kerala pi ba Kerala patun pelong scientist keleng ke bathai ni bat hang nei dang sa den ni he tang hari la jong handrai om shaki wai bani compete te nak ta kadaw pi ba ka competition education kaman man la khlemat te nak ta kadaw na kentu ya kino ki badan sap la ha ka medical la ha ka engineering ki badan sap te ban tho ya ka sap ba ubleu ai phi kumba ong ha ka bible ma parable of talent ngim dai ban tap ya ka talent ka baginon spok khandau ni im kana e somehow reposnam maximum 70 years ka e ka legacy ni ai ha kum ong usu satham im ka teng sa kana tengaro ngashimi kana ka kalanti ba ona uraba jong ka bri hnya trap lai luk sa ini tengaro nga pakhaba ngadai pan contribute ka e yai khna la jong shwa
Daka jinga trelang ki dekhot ka Village Defence Party VDP bat Neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization hito kathan barato haka jinga lam u president ka hito haka khatlai tre unailor kila yok kem yu rikman lang lamare na kasnong chia banai haka por kumba kharwe baji men stem urikman lang lamare udi uwe na ki hndringut ki koidi ki bala lat phet to na phatok jawai haka shipau terek mentau banai kumban supen kan mau samut ki koidi u I love you ulot star tang Umarsan ki taryang bat ushidor ki dekhar kila sha bom yap ki pat ba haka than shangpung katba ya uramish dekhar la yokem di ki pat ba muthlong na ka than pramer haka khat artarik unailur
yo rikmen lang lamare na kachnong chabanai hidu yokem yo da gajin yakra stom yo ki pat ba adin wadalai u nejil te ini liang yo I onne gisni da gad musin ukmen wa khamtam ekudle yo hachnong Ramba chnong, sekretari chnong, baru kerpang yu hat chnong yu ceblai, da ejektibi hachwa ulali kemi ya urikmen lang lamare. Ekudle ile ya ki padba uya fodi haluti hasungkin di benta negesni uya kemi yu urikmen lang lamare. Bat hachwa eti yu chukulit da ya chwa yu chnong. Da ini liang yu kurpadi bor yang gaan. Wa chisida iti yapi impwa dai poi dai pi o chichno wa yu ne u chiru pi kakam kustom yo kakam ikendon kaan yong sorkan
Islam
Kaseng Neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization kala penpau ka jing persha ka bajur halor ka jingkran menteri rangba ukorat ke sangma haka khat atre unailur hayeng dorbar da ka ba ulakam ba ulakhat yata ya baro shwabanya soya ka Memorandum of Understanding MOU bat ka asang nakalyang ka hitu kala ong ka jingkhot yaki kalong kumban shupen bor ki ban soy yaki kot kisla handrai umdan satya kata ka jingakran ka basani kumta kaseng ka penram jore kate ka jingkran u menteri rangba da ka babu jingkeli kumnu menteri rangba u not ban ong baki NGO ki dan benta haka list bala dep yakran sani bha halor ka MOU
dan tekani ka gabakong partyless nani undon tekate ka political party tat hangta ka diskonsel kan sala pantuklar je ka customary law nani ki an ki kanun ki be dai bat ka buri nyokra jong ka hito ka ngi shpa bi ka korwa ka sarkar bahakan ka phase 1 phila bakla wat ya ka concession jong ka re india ru dangla ban amen ya ka MOU kamdei ka bae tangina kalian ko jongi kentu ba nadalong ka bala baha pan pembet sa wat mukta ya ka sentiment jong upai ba tharai philai hi dangsian ka ka baja nada umop umi tanga sikuntu ya ka sarkar ban kinong mikmat ban lat ban jan kan no jing sungsi ya pisia kinong mikmat sabun poi arpu lai ngi kentu ya pisia long ki ba kala bomot sungtho na ya ka kam nada phide la phitrei hok benta agri ke Benrio kelet no pi pidon har to political parties kabala yalam yopi syagajing snio mat ban punjat ke ris ke Benrio ke jongi
Kinongelam ka Confederation of Ribhoi People CORP Central Zone hapo ka jingelam khmat usamla Shining Star Kentla u President usamla Morris Lingdo Secretary menta ka singi ka khatlai tri unai lor kalalet ban kendo yo Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi District naga benta ban yakran halor ka jingle authority ka company GU kabala shuti khando ban thebiki wire fiber hakashnong merdan mautari kabala wanra ka jingtua jang ka surok bat bu jing e ka let ka wan jong padba ka te ka than Henry kata ka jinglet ya kendu jong kate ka seng ya Deputy Commissioner kamsham la urlong hadin ba UDC sham la tre ban kendu ikinong ya lam ka seng banyak kran halor kate kamat Henry nakaliang ka seng kila yo ban ya kendu pan par ka Additional Deputy Commissioner ka kong bala kenti rani ban IT ka shithi ujor ban dawaru na kibor penya district ban pha maramot mardor ya ka company Geo ya ka surok pala tua haka than mardon mautari
Apa nyawan hanya ini plan ni ke problem ke ba jinjar aga kaya keson jong putba apa apa hem riboy jadi nak ni jungi keseng ni dasnyo diam sim sikide halor ke jingle jong DC but ni program hiru ya ka Geo company bedai ke Reliance semua ni program ke jingle Turki jongkai ke tiga surok ni lapha ya ke Khubor Na Jylla mta Henry hadu mta ru kimpan le ya ke tiga surok keba nagle jungi ngila komplain saga company Geo halor ka jinge kya keson jongu nong sunong arsnong nasionong kebahap kemerdan nomher ka mokrut baka usau utara lain nagle jungi keseng ni dawajur naga naudisi budai punfano merdor bun sebagai company Geo kan pentreno merdor itu tiga surok lada kamla pentreno merdor itu tiga surok nagle jungi keseng Ingin airport tang stio, lada nyimpen lagi bagi nontrai, nagle juga keseng, disele ya keberukam dah kesenjam jom keseng ni.
Kalumpung yang lekai jinjar bol bala penya da Ribhoi Youth Development and Social Organisation RBYDSO, kala poi sekabakut mentakasngi ka khatlai tri unai lor, ya kabala penlong hamaran snong umden. Hakani kasngi yakni nam ladu jaga de kalumpung, layakun hapreng ka umden SC persya ka syaken SC. Bar ka umden SC kala yo bandra ya ka nam ladu hakate kalumpung, da ka ba penle me ka syaken SC lai gol la ar gol, bar kum kala adu ka umden SC kala yo ra sendan ya ka song pisa ka ba ar pho hajar tengka rengkat ka trofi, bar ka syaken SC kum ka kunhun ka bawan baar kala yo ra ya ka trofi harengkat ka song pisa ka ba shipho hajar tengka. Hakani kesengi penkut ya ketika lumpung lawan ban sakhi da uba Espalei DSP Ribhoi kumu kongsan hakajing dan rengkat langka kong M Maring State Secretary jaka BJP sembut kongsan uba DSR Lakyang Traffic in Charge uba N Walang OC Nongpo uba Arnold Sinkli President RBYDSO Central Body lembat ki padba nong petkai
ni dalam ini ni lek friendly match kamno di situ nak kamsam haba kelajan pefut kawol ka World Cup football. Let's say di samla kamtam kumdem kublei kijing tri bha joki leyo kijing jok. Nai sorong ye kijing jok. Le bha shu pinpoint clear joki ye kijing jok bakam shening. Kamtam ye ke barem rom de ke barem. Let's say tri bha na ni khmat pinpoint par chagawe ke thi. Let's say ni kwa ke clear imdei ban kut tang ko kamadan jok umden. Let's say pinpoint ke thong kum kamadan chapo nang po Shillong le sedal hi jadi sewe-sewe ke jaka let's say ke jingle ball jong pi em kamput tang ni hamadan let's say ile bha kan po jong pi ka football mentang lai agi bod program jong sarkar kala ailat to grassroots district level state level national level let's say ka government ro kala chim bha gini langba ka department wengi police ro ni dal bata bha la don la ke jong football team tingong let's say hi itre bha ben mesin ka football ngom ni tang sport
Pada kitu ki kubor ngela poy bakun tar hado bangin de syambiang kublei shibun